Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a high pass and a low pass filter for AUX level voltages. So on the input side I've got just coming from a device, could be a PSP like I've got, or a phone or something, or an MP3 player. Got that going in to the input side, and on the output side I've got the amplifier, which is got a 25k impedance. Right now I've got that I've got this in the low pass filter setup, so there's the resistor across there and then the capacitor in parallel with the output. Really, like the colour coding that I've done on here, the capacitor blue and then the resistor red. It should be the other way around really, because that capacitor's orange and that resistor's blue. But yeah, so I've got that shorted with the yellow wire at the moment, so that'll just be like, it'll just be normal, just like without the filter on. So yeah, I'm just gonna go into the music. Okay, so this is without the low pass filter on. You can just ignore that big wide bar, there, ignore that because that's just a level, and the rest of that, I'm using this song because it's got all the frequencies in it. So you see that. Now I'm going to take this off. You'll hear the difference when I take this out. Now it's just the lower frequencies. So now filters out all the higher frequencies in the mid-range, and it's just a bass. So that's why it's called a low pass filter, because it only lets the low frequencies past. And then if I turn it off, it goes back to that, and then turn it back on, it filters it all out. Okay, so now I'm gonna build those are the values that I'm using. Now I'm gonna build the high pass filter, which only lets the high frequencies through. So yeah, do that pretty quick hopefully. I'm using a 1k resistor for this one. And the 1k resistor goes in parallel with the output amplifier. Right. So there it is. So yeah, the capacitors in series and the resistors in parallel with the output. And I've got that shorted, so that's just like it's off. Again, you can see that. You don't really need to see that because you saw it before. But now I'm going to take it out. You'll hear the difference as well. Now that just leaves the high frequencies. I'll just turn it up a little bit. So this is normal. Now I'm going to attach that, so that's just normal. Now with it, the high pass filter working, it only lets those frequencies through. I'll just so you can see what frequencies it lets through. So yeah, that's how you can make a low pass filter and a high pass filter for audio, for AUX. I'm just going to take this out to see what happens if I've got both the channels on here because this jack is mono. yeah, I'm just going to leave it at that and keep it simple. Right, see you in the next video. Hope this video is useful. I'll just show that on. And the low pass. Okay, see you in the next video.